Welcome to the video on how to resolve listing error 8026. This error appears when a seller lacks authorization to sell products within a specific product line or category. Before starting the approval process, we recommend sellers to check the list of restricted items by searching for Category, Product and Content Restrictions help page. We advise sellers to read this help page to gain additional context about these restrictions. Now let's understand how to resolve this error. Sign in to the Seller Central account. Hover over the Catalog tab and click on Add Products. Search for the product in Amazon's catalogue. In the search results, click Show Limitations to check all the prerequisites sellers should meet to list this product. Here, select the appropriate product condition. Next, click on Apply to Sell button. Continue by clicking on Request Approval to begin the application process. To continue with the process, sellers need to add information about their products and business, along with providing the necessary documents that meet all the requirements highlighted. Sellers are advised to provide the contact information. Once done, click on Agree and Submit to finish the approval process. After submitting the documents, Amazon will require 2 to 3 business days for the review process. To check the status of the application, hover over Catalog tab and click on View Selling Applications. Within this dashboard, sellers can view the status of their application. Listing error 8026 gets resolved once the selling application gets approved. By clicking on List Products, sellers can add selection belonging to the approved category and subcategory one by one with Add Products tool, or in bulk using Add Products via Upload. That wraps up our video on how to resolve listing error 8026. Thank you and happy selling!